Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 118 scale video. So today we have the Autoart Millennium Nissan Skyline GTR R33 V-Spec in dark purple. So this is something different to my collection. I have actually had, I think I might have said that also with some previous cars, but like this, I have sold all of my JDMs in my collection except this one, and I will not be selling this one. Mostly I sell stuff because I just don't have space or something like that. In this case, I don't care if I have or haven't space. I will not be selling this one because this is one of my most favorite Skylines. Reasoning for why the packaging looks so bad. It is because I have moved at least 3 times. I had moved from Latvia to England. That's where my 118 scale exploded by finding all these like car boots and whatever they're called, like flea shops and stuff like that. I kept finding more and more, and I just kept buying more and more 118 scales at that point. I dabbled in some 143s, mostly 164, but no, actually not mostly, but mostly in 118 scale. I did see some 164s, so it was just some stuff. And then I moved to Latvia back. Then I moved to Norway, and that's where I got this one. I got it in Norway. What was it called? Lillestrøm, I think. Lillehammer? No. I think it's called Lillestrøm where I bought this thing. It should be 1 or 2 stops from the airport called Gardermoen. I think it's Lillestrøm. So basically, I found that place totally by accident. I was just wandering around there, just sightseeing, and then I see some cars behind those like the glass. And when I got my first pay, I came back to that place and went downstairs, and there was a whole amount of models there. So I got two. I got the old. I got this one, and I also got the old 2000 GT, which I don't no longer have. That one got sold for quite a good amount because these two were pretty expensive. And of course, then I moved from Norway back to my country. I did move around in Norway multiple times, and then I moved back to Latvia because I was homesick. And I'm starting to think that I might maybe move back to Norway again. I don't know. It's horrible, especially when you're collecting cars. It's even worse. So enough of that. So basically, it's been around. It's my models have been traveling with me most of the time, and yeah, it's been quite a journey. But I'm still not settled in, so I don't know when that's gonna happen. There you go. But I can tell you this, when we get to 500 subscribers, I probably will do a little collection video. That's my plan, at least. And you'll get to see what I have, where I have it, and so on, so on, so on. Not the best way to display my stuff, but I'm doing what I can, at least. Yeah, so this one is all plastic, like that's why the box is held so good. So let me get the car off the base, which is held, it's by 4 screws. Okay, so I'll pause the video, I'll get it off the base, and I'll be right back. So I'm back here with the car. It is a bit well, dusty, not dirty, so let me just quickly clean it up. A quick clean up, nothing too long. We're coming back right now. There we go. So there is the model itself. Like, this thing is very, very top level in my opinion. I have this one also in 1/64 scale from Inno. Really like this Skyline. There's other Skylines which are amazing, but I really like this one, especially in this color. There's your front end. It's all like lensed, like turning lights. The little like where the grill is and the intercooler. This sheet is actually metal, so it's there, and it's also see-through. So that's all fully detailed. We have very nice Brembo disc brakes. I mean, not disc brakes. Discs do move with the wheel as it should be. Same for the back. There's your back. It's all fully lensed. Also, like tail lights turning. We have the one reverse light, turning light, fog light right there, and the usual brake lights. It has also the heaters, also a back windshield wiper. Same for the front windshield wipers. It is a right-hand car. It is still pretty dirty. I've been touching it with my fingers right now. Before we get to opening parts, let's have a look at the base. As you can see, it is saying Autoart. The steering does work. It's a bit stiff because I don't really use it that much. 2008, like 118 Nissan Skyline GTR. There you can see that. Crafted in China, as most of the cars are. The details are really good. And yeah, so let's get to the opening parts. It is a bit difficult to open the doors. I usually take it a little bit by the mirror and then open it. It does open really widely, and I love that the seats are made out of rubber. At least it's a hard rubber feeling to it, texture and everything. The flooring is this it's like carpeting or something, so it's nicely made. The doors are also this matte styled plastic. So as you can see, we have the glass in there for the doors. Shuts perfectly. Then we go to the driver's side. We do the same thing. We push it slightly there so it will open. And there's your driver steering wheel. It does steer when you turn the wheels. There's your seats. I don't know why is it not focusing. It doesn't like me when I film the interior. You can see there's a good amount of details in there. Let's see if we can get some more. Okay, there we go. See all the little doodads and buttons and stuff like that, and they're all have stuff on them there, and the speedometer has everything in there. So this shuts. Then we'll go to the back first. There you go. It also has the carpeting in the back. I love the system that they have on the when you open the parts. As you can see, there's a full mechanism going on there. So it has the metal and like a little like it's a suspension. I know, like hydraulics. As you can see it's moving. So it is very high quality in that case. And now let's go to the engine bay. Let's open this, and it also has very small, you can see, screws and everything. And it also comes with, since it doesn't hold up by its own, it comes with the little stand, which is very small, and I'm really scared of using it. I just don't remember where does it go into. Oops. So it does come up, and it's supposed to hold it up. I'll just do it like this because I don't remember where exactly it needs to stay in or be put in. I'm putting it this way. So as you can see, the engine detail is quite very good. I mean, not quite great. And there's everything in there, like you can all see it all. This is a perfect model. Like Autoart does very good stuff when it comes to 1/18 scale. Just that it's very expensive also, especially cars like this, which are very popular. Could do a little shine up, and this thing would be perfect. Like I said, I just don't have the space right now where to display my 1/18 scales. That's why it's not getting that much love, but it is being held in a spot where it won't be damaged. So yeah, really nice, and I'm really just afraid to do much with it. Yeah, being calm and explaining everything. So yeah, there you go. And also a little thing, you also have the back seats, and they are also with the rubber style, and this bit here, like the top of the back, is also with that carpeting feel to it. And yeah, that would be definitely, that would be all I can tell you about this model, and I think it's a fantastic one, definitely one of my best ones in my collection. And yeah, that would be that. I hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.